Inflatable pliable cuffs are used to isolate broken limbs in emergency situations for transport. Due to their high accuracy and repeatability, proportion air electronic regulators are ideal for inflatable cuff leak test applications. Here, a QPV high-resolution regulator is being used to smoothly ramp pressure to the cuff and test for leaks. Generally, very low pressures are required to test for leaks, and ease of repeatability is necessary for product batch verification. Proportion air can produce products with a full-scale calibration range as low as 0 to 2 inches of water column, with accuracy and repeatability of plus or minus 0.02% of the full-scale calibration.